This is another coding challenge, this time squaring a sorted array. So in this problem, we're given an array that has a bunch of sorted integers. They can be negative or positive. And we want to return a new array with the squares of those numbers, but it has to be sorted. So for example, if we're given this array here, and this is one of our test cases, you can see that it goes from -2 to 3. And we want to return the sorted array of its squares. So we're going to use a two-pointer technique to solve this. I'm just going to go over the algorithm that I plan to use. So first, I'm making 2 pointers. So one's going to be at the start of the given array, so 0, index 0, and one will be at the end of the given array, so the length of given array -1. And then creating an answer array of the length of the given array. And then I want to iterate starting from the length of the given array -1, and just continue to decrement that until I reach 0, because I'm going to be filling in the numbers starting from the greatest to least. Because we can see from our test cases that and we know from our test cases that the greatest numbers are going to be on the outsides, because if we have, -3 on one end and then 4 on the other end, our greatest numbers are going to be, these positive integers rather than 0, which might be near the middle. So I keep decrementing that index I until I get to 0. And at each loop, I want to check to see if the square of the number at the left pointer or the right pointer is greater. And if the left side number, that square is greater, let's say the number is -4, and then on the right side it's 3, our left side square would be greater, so we want to put that value in our new sorted array at I, and then we want to increment our left pointer since we already visited that value. And then if the right side was greater, then we would just decrement our right side pointer. So let's check out the code. I'm making a very simple squaring function here just for readability. I instantiate the answer array. I make those pointers. I start iterating through our given array, starting at the end. So yeah, starting at the end until I reach 0, decrementing each time. I get the left square and the right square. I check to see which one is greater. So if the left one is greater, I slip that in the answer array, increment the left side pointer. If it's the right one, decrement the right side pointer, and then I return the answer. So yeah, that's solving squaring a sorted array with the two-pointer technique. On to the next one.